If it ain't one thing, it's another thing, right? So we're just chilling out here in the back road. Not because we chose to, but because Kerry's car broke down again. Right here. And the car had bogging issues at 2,000 and 3,000 RPM. And we couldn't figure out why. And when the check engine light came on, it was only at 2,000, 3,000 flickering. It was flickering. So we have no tools, no nothing whatsoever. And then I told him to go turn his car on, kind of let this cool down because I thought the code 15 may be related to distributor. And then when he went to go turn it on, I saw a spark. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. That is a 17mm bolt resting on the power cable, grounding itself out to the starter. And if you guys remember, these guys are all stripped too. So I'm hoping that if I just take this off. Ah! Oh, fuck. Where's my razor blade at? I'm hoping that if I take it off, it would stop the issue. Oh shit. Okay. Okay. Oh, this fucker is hot, boy. Oh. There is our issue, guys. All right, go turn it on. Hope we didn't pop shit. Fuck. Oh, and we're headed to the beach as well, but everybody's over there 3 hours ago. We just kind of woke up late. But who doesn't love the back roads, right? And some hills. Let's see if it bogs. 2,000, 3,000 RPM, right? Oh, we are good. We are good. All right, so we're gonna continue headed to the beach and going to meet everybody else over there. Look at cool guy got to turn his wheel too. Hey Alex, don't get wet. Huh? Don't get wet. Hey Kerry, you know what time it is, right? Anyways, so if you guys remember the video when we were talking about getting 666 likes and we're gonna do the Winchester Mystery House at the latest tour hour, which is the latest one? 1 o'clock? 12 or 1 o'clock. So if you guys don't know by now, I believe we're way past 666 likes on that video, and that only means we are going to be taking this tour very soon. The comments about you guys would enjoy some paranormal stuff on the channel. We're going to do that and some more. Hopefully we can find some haunted areas around our area, and then we're going to try to hit it up as well. Maybe try to get a rig to do like night vision or something, but first and foremost, the Winchester Mystery House at the latest tour hour, it is happening. That's the first. Kerry, gotta go with us. He's still scared. Exclusive. Say that again? I don't know if we can do this for the Young Static channel. Okay, it's off. I'm checking. It's getting hard. Yeah. 5 consecutive. 1. 2 more. 2 more. You stop. Bounce those titties. They're getting fucking hard. Go. One more. I don't want to. Bounce those titties. Yeah, you got 1 more. Oh shit. That's the ball, get it! Somebody's talking shit! Surf's up, dude! Yeah, so she's at the end of the, well, she's like one more person right there.
There you go, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Then about one person. So yeah, that's about right there.
Why
Yeah,
won't
so
you get in here,
guys get in. Okay. Well, I'm tall, so I can get in the back. Hey, Daryl, don't do that.
What to do back again? I'm gonna try this again. I'm taking over Dana's vlog. Hey Dana, see Dana? Young Static. Alright, so right now we at where are we? We at Sonic right now. We were team last time.
Still waiting for the last.
Still waiting for Travis. If you ever went to the Sonic, guys, ask for Travis. He'll hook you up.
Good boy.
Hi, my name's Travis. What can I get for you today? Can I get a name for the order?
So simple.
Oh, you guys thought our night was over. We are going to the runs again. Go. Don't waste some time. They pulled in.